guys. The drinks are $1.50. I have $2. I'm gonna do it. So you pick the drink that you want. And then you're gonna stick your hand up in here and block the door. So just do that. C4. It's gonna get the drink, but I'm not gonna let it through, as you guys can see.
Someone's coming.
Sorry. What the hell? And it's giving me all my money back. It's giving me all my money back. See, pure money. So now, you can get another drink. So as you guys can see, I'm not even joking. And then show them the drink down there. Coke. Now I'm gonna get some Sprite. D4. Now it's vending. That's how you get 2 drinks.
For the price of one.
For the price of one.
Alright, this is how you get free money and free snacks from a vending machine. Now just so you know, it has to be the same model and make of the vending machine in order for this to work. So what you do is you press the numbers 1, 5, 5, 7, 9, 5. Now you wait a couple seconds, and as you can see, the machine is not opened, it is closed. See down here, nothing in there. I've got 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. You start, put the money in there. 25, 50, and as you see, they're dropping down in here. 50, 75, and $1. So now you go down here. 4 quarters. Now, put those 4 in there again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now at the end, take your money out. 4 quarters. Now pick your snack. I'm going to pick B6. There's B6. Down goes the snack. $4. You got your $2. And you got your free snack. There you are. Follow me on Instagram, David_0491. Thank you. Goodbye.
Alright, I'm going to show you how to hack this vending machine using this simple trick that you can do on almost every machine. Alright, first off, you're going to want to go 4, 2, 3, 1. And as you see on the screen, it says air. And you hit the second button to change. Cash, sale, return, air. Cash, sale, return, air. And when you want to get back, you just press this and I'll go back.
Okay, if it works, I'll show you. Got the $5 bill. Just gotta get it folded right. Wasn't going in. Okay, it might glitch and say that there's only 5, or I mean it'll say that there's 5 or it'll say welcome if you just hit the change button. Okay, right there, it's going up. $5 in credit. It's blinking orange though, just hit the change button. Alright, I'm just going to leave it in there because I actually want to get something. And I want when it gives you all your change and everything, you just pull this out. Lights are gonna flash red, and it's gonna keep trying to suck the money in. And then the lights are back green. So you could just do it again if you want. Okay. Gonna like jerk it around and stuff, and then your credit's going up again. Okay, it ran out of quarters, so that concludes our video. Thanks, please rate, comment, suggest anything. Bye.